Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Dream of Crafts. My name is Deanna and I'm going to come to you with my Sat Morning Makes. Sat Morning Makes is put on by Jillian Norwood. She has the YouTube channel Jillian Norwood Designs. It's an open collab for anybody who does any type of artwork that they want to share with others. You just use the hashtag satmornmakes and you too can join in. And if you don't want to join in, but you want to see what everybody's doing, then just go ahead and type in hashtag satmornmakes and you'll see what all we've been doing, including Jillian. Please go check out her YouTube channel. I'll put a link to it in the description box below to make it nice and easy for you. So I just wanted to touch base and show you what I've been working on. So we're getting ready for Brooklyn's Halloween party at school. So we put together some gift bags and I created the pumpkins on my Cricut and her tags on my Cricut. So I just did the boo with the shadow, and then on the back I just put together the alphabet from Brooklyn, make sure everything was connected, and then created a shadow for that. And then she was able to fill her bags, and these are just regular paper lunch bags that you get at the grocery store, just easy to work with and not so expensive, so cost-worthy. So she did those for each kid in the class. We also put together a little box for her teacher. This is just a box that was created on my Cricut. I added a belly band and then the little ghost embellishment that I created a couple weeks ago, and I'll put a link in the description box below for this also. I created put one together on my Sunday morning crafting chat a couple weeks ago, so I'll add a link to that down in the description box below also. So I used, of course, the bags, my Cricut, and then inside is just a bunch of goodies, juice boxes and things like that. So, and that will be in my Sunday morning crafting chat for this week. I put together the whole bag along with the juice box and everything. So if you're curious about what's in there, you can go ahead and look at that. I'll put a link to the description box for that one. And like I said, that'll come up this Sunday. So what I used to put together this embellishment on the top of this box here was the gingerbread that stays on my table all the time. It's just a little AliExpress gingerbread. I used these pumpkins. I just cut them all out at once. They're from AliExpress. And then I just add a little yellow paper behind. I used this small spider web, this spider, and I don't know if this one's got any bats on it. I don't know. Yep, a couple of these bats here. This AliExpress spider web, this AliExpress cemetery die that I cut off the tree. So that is what I used for my dies. I used this tool from Dollar Tree and these scissors I got on I got them on a sale thing. Can't remember which website though, a few weeks ago. But yeah, they cut all at once, so it cut that pretty good. I also used for this little embellishment here, this Spellbinders die S4 911, and I used, I want to say, this size circle for the base. I used gems from my pack of gems from the jewelry department at Hobby Lobby. The boo, that was in with this set here. It cut out the boo. All right, and then this is the paper I used for the box, and it's just the Bewitched from Echo Park, so it's a few years old. I think it's got a date. It's the Black Cats Bewitched 2018. So, but this was one of my favorite Echo Park lines. I also used for the inside, the glare is terrible today, from this old Recollections pack, I used that, want a piece of that. Whoops, let me get this open to do the ghost inside. So I cut the box on the Cricut with the cat, and it's not real heavy. It's a nice weight, but it's not real heavy. So then I lined everything with the black, and then I come back in and relined it with the piece of ghost cardstock for that. We've got a box full of their Dove chocolates. Is what's in there for the teacher. This is for her teacher. So that is everything I used for those. So like I said, if you're interested in seeing how I put the bags together and what was in them, you can watch it on Sunday morning, tomorrow morning, at Sunday Morning Craft and Chat. All the links will be in the description box below. I look forward to hopping in next Saturday, as long as things go good. And I appreciate you stopping by. As always, wishing you and your family many blessings. Until the next time, I hope you have a great week. Bye-bye.